Hi, I'm Bill Ritter, certified electrician, and today we've gathered our top electrician questions from the internet, our customers, and my mama. This is Ask an Electrician. Have I ever been shocked in a job? Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, you get shocked a lot. Sometimes you're working on something, a wire nut pops out, or a little piece of copper is shining through and you hit it, and there's like, it wakes you up a little bit. I've luckily not had anything too serious, but I've been shocked a lot. How long does it take to become an electrician? So I went through a 5-year union apprenticeship. Different trade schools, I think there's different certificates and stuff you get within a year, but then there's the on-the-site training where like a trainee, you get a trainee card and then you work for X amount of years. But for me, and I would say typical, getting from your first day on the job, learning everything, to a journeyman, it's 5 years. Hi. What is UL9 4-V0 rating on emergency light? I don't know. I don't know everything. I know a lot of stuff. I probably know how to install it. I definitely know how to install it. Can I run multiple appliances on one outlet if I use a surge protector? Yeah, assuming that there's not too much of a draw. And it's fine. If your system's done properly, it's gonna trip when there's issues. Unless there's like a ton of stuff plugged into one surge protector and it's going beyond the rating of that surge protector, then it wouldn't trip, it would melt the wires first. It's best to always have them direct to an outlet. What's the biggest myth about electricians? That we only care about ourselves on the job. They say electrician will just like cut a hole in the drywall and then have the drywaller fix it. You know, walk around like a big guy on job. But we're considerate, nice gentlemen and ladies. What's one tool you can't live without as an electrician? Ooh, baby, it's gotta be my side cutters. So, I would say most electricians would be like, this is their tool. You use them for wire nuts, for pulling a fish tape, wrap some string around there and pull on it. It's got your cutters, and also there's some weight to it. So it's like a hammer. This is an electrician's tool for sure, and it's my favorite. What's the weirdest thing you've seen in someone's house? One time I was working and someone's taking a 2 on the toilet and they left the door open. She was like watching their kid, and I think she's like, had the kid run around like, I'm just gonna keep the door open, but I was troubleshooting the house and she was just there, and I made eye contact with her and I looked at her, I was like, okay, she knew, I knew, and I just walked on. But yeah, I saw her. It wasn't a thing, it was a person, but it was a situation. And I saw her taking a poo. And that's it for this episode of Ask an Electrician. You got more questions, drop them in the comments and we'll tackle them next time. And remember, shop Sunco.